फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. जैसे राहुल ने कहा कि बड़ी खुशी होती है जब इस तरह के एक मुहिम से रिलेटेड इवेंट के लिए आप सब मौजूद होते हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. पर राहुल, मोर पावर टू यू, टू द फाउंडेशन एंड टू हील. बिकॉज मैं राहुल को 8-9 शायद 10 साल से जानती हूँ. और तब से मैं इनसे सुनती आ रही हूँ कि किस तरह का काम ये कर रहे हैं थ्रू द फाउंडेशन एंड हील. And I think child sexual abuse is something that we don't want to even hear of, forget, know of. So when I did Kahani 2, I got a lot of reading material. कुछ पढ़ के रात भर नींद नहीं आती थी मुझे, because it was so disturbing. Because what is most disturbing about child sexual abuse for me is the fact that it happens within the family most often, which, you feel that family ke andar
family is a safe place.
Safest place for a child. And then when it happens, it's the perpetrator is, your grand-uncle or your grandfather or your uncle or anyone. I read a case about a grandmother sexually abusing her grandson. So, it's horrific. So the more and more I read, the more and more I felt like, oh my God, this is not something that happens to, or maybe I still felt कि अच्छा दूसरों के साथ होता होगा, कहीं दूर कहीं ये होता होगा. फिर फिल्म रिलीज हुई. जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो इतने सारे लोग, people I've known for a really long time, I had so many instances of people coming up to me and saying, I really liked Kahani 2 because it spoke to me. I felt like Minnie. And it was shocking because on the face of it, this person is leading an absolutely trauma-free life. But, they obviously started opening up to me about what had happened with them and the way it has impacted their life, their relationships, their confidence. Just the way they've wanted to disappear sometimes, to be invisible to the world. And I was shocked because I used to feel like it happened somewhere, कहीं दूर, हमसे तो बहुत दूर. हमारी दुनिया में तो ये सब नहीं होता. हमारे बच्चों के साथ ये सब नहीं होता. But the more and more people came up to me, even on social media and personally, people wrote emails. I was beyond shocked. And I realized that if I ever got an opportunity, therefore, the film itself was a great opportunity to address this because, film gets seen by so many people. But if I got an opportunity to do something about this, I would. If my presence at this place is going to even make one person,
No, you have also donated to us. We know that. I haven't told anybody, but Vidya has also donated to us.
Yeah, but, that's the least one can do, I feel. So I'm happy to be here, to be doing my little bit to throw light on this cause so that some child feels safer. I would want every child in the world to feel safer. And at least one adult who's gone through this to feel like it was not their fault. I think that for me is the most important thing when you talk about child sexual abuse.
ऐसा क्यों होता है हमारे समाज में? हमारे समाज में मतलब ये बेल्जियम में होता है, नॉर्वे में हुआ है, जापान में बहुत बड़ा एक क्राइसिस हुआ था कि चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज के साथ ये एक ही ऐसा एक अत्याचार है जहाँ पे द पर्सन हु इज अब्यूज्ड फील्स दैट मैंने कुछ किया होगा, गलती मेरी है. शर्म से वो मर जाता है, मर जाती है. क्यों? हमारे जो वर्कशॉप्स हैं, हम वर्कशॉप्स जिसके बारे में मैंने जिक्र किया था, उन वर्कशॉप्स में हम क्या कहते हैं कि द शेम इज नॉट योर्स, द शेम इज द परपेट्रेटर्स. लेकिन अफसोस की बात यह है कि फैमिली में बाकी सब लोग कहते हैं कि कुछ मत कहो. जब हम काम करते हैं, बहुत से एडल्ट्स हमारे पास आते हैं जैसे वो बहुत कंसर्न्ड है, लेकिन असलियत में उन्हीं ने वैसे बिहेव किया था कि किसी को मत कहो. तो ये क्यों? बिकॉज उनको लगेगा कि अगर किसी को पता चलता है कि हमारे बच्चों के साथ हमारे परिवार वालों ने ये किया है, the whole family's name will be dragged through mud. And the question here is, you can actually make a difference. Yeah. without dragging the family's name through mud. ठीक है, हम नहीं बताएंगे, लेकिन सुधारो. जो करना है वो तो करना ही है आपको. आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, हमारे साथ 70 से ज़्यादा चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज सर्वाइवर्स हैं जिनको हम काउंसल करते हैं. 10 से ज़्यादा हमने चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज काउंसलर्स ट्रेन किए हैं 10 साल में. अभी तक काफ़ी केसेस 10 साल से चल रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये जो डैमेज होता है वो एक दिन में सुधर नहीं जाता है, 2 दिन में निकल नहीं जाता है, सालों लगते हैं. It affects your mental health, your physical health, how you deal with children. But Vidya, आप लोगों ने सब पढ़ा होगा, ये गवर्नमेंट स्टैटिस्टिक है. 53% of children in 2007 that they interviewed, 53% of children were sexually abused. अगर आप मानो कि 130 करोड़ में से 40 करोड़ बच्चे हैं, आंकड़े थोड़े कम हैं लेकिन मैं कंजर्वेटिव फिगर लेता हूं, इसका मतलब है 20 करोड़ से ज्यादा बच्चे सेक्सुअली अब्यूज्ड हैं इस कंट्री में, जस्ट बाय द स्टैटिस्टिक्स. क्या अनरिपोर्टेड होता है हम जानते हैं. जस्ट बाय द स्टैटिस्टिक्स इट्स 200 million children. That is an epidemic. That is 10 Australias. That is 4 United Kingdoms. 200 million children. और ये रोज होता है. So this is not something, it's a scandal and ये करना है, सनसनी खबर. लेकिन ये रियलिटी है जो लिखा है 2 लाइंस में, अकॉर्डिंग टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्टैटिस्टिक. ये दैट्स क्रेजी. चलो 53 भूल जाओ, 23%. That's 100 million children. What are we talking about here? और उसमें 19, 20, 21 NGOs. इस NGO के लिए विद्या फंडिंग बहुत मुश्किल है. हम जानते थे. आप अगर मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात करें तो लोग पैसे दे देंगे, लेकिन आप कहेंगे कि दिस विल प्रिवेंट द अंकल फ्रॉम रेपिंग द नीस. Why have we reached here? Why can't we just, जो सबसे ज्यादा evil है, that's what we have to confront. So my question was, did you first of all, when you, kahani no kahani, you're an intelligent, sensitive, compassionate person. Were you aware of the scale? And let me tell you, Rais, Gharib. South Bombay, छोटा सा शहर या C1, C2 town. आंकड़े वही हैं. The actual statistics are the same. Boys, girls, almost the same. So with this, did you ever know that it spanned social barriers, it spanned income barriers, it spanned urbanization, it was everywhere?
You know, I think I was, of course, aware because I'm a student of sociology. I had read enough. But like I said, you know, it's such a difficult truth to stomach that you always feel it happens to people in some other world. Because if you're saying 53%, it's happening all around us, you know. But I never wanted to actually accept that fact. I never wanted to, if there was something about child sexual abuse, I invariably wouldn't read it. Because it's so, I actually, I've known of friends who've been through this, Rahul, and I know how it scarred their lives. You know, but I remember, and I feel very ashamed to say this, but I will admit that I remember a few of us having this conversation about this friend of mine. And one of them turned around and said, maybe she's making it up, yeah. Maybe she needs attention. And you know, I won't deny that we did consider it, because you don't want to accept that this could be the truth, that this could be happening within someone's family, within a family you know, to someone who's your friend. So, of course, only briefly, but I won't deny that I almost wanted to believe that to be true, more than the fact that she might be, you know, going through abuse on a regular basis. So, yes, I was aware of the numbers, but I think maybe I just grew up by the time I did Kahani too. So, you know, I realized that this is really something that we can't shy away from. And then my cousins had kids, my friends had kids, and suddenly you're seeing, you feel more and more protective of the kids around you, and you suddenly feel like these thoughts begin to cross your mind. Someone's, maybe a help at home is holding a child's hand and taking the child, I don't know, to the bathroom, and you suddenly feel like, no, I don't want the child to go with the help, I'll go myself. But what you should realize is that it's not just the help who could be doing this, it could be anyone. I've reached a stage, I think, where I'm not really trusting of anyone when it comes to children. It's very unfortunate, but you feel like that.
If anybody has been touched sexually, fondled, bus, train, school, boarding school, office, home, it will be buried so deep. Or it will be like, chodo yaar, hota hai. Two answers. So deep that you don't want to talk about it. Or, it's okay, I'm fine. These are the only two answers you'll get. But there is a third answer. Why the hell should it happen to me? I'm a child. I was a child, yaar. So that's basically the... मुझे पता है कि एक सवाल होगा कि आप लोग क्या करने वाले इसके बारे में. तो जैसे मैंने कहा, I'll answer that before you ask the question. 3 things. हमारे adult work, and I invite the press. Please, आपके पास हमारे contacts हैं. Open invitation. 600 से ज़्यादा हमने workshops किए हैं adults के लिए. कि चिन्ह क्या है? What is child sexual? मैं मिसाल के तौर पे बहुत से schools हैं, posh schools बम्बई में हैं. तो मैंने टीम को कहा 10 साल पहले, 9 साल पहले, कि अगर इसको क्रैक करना है तो आप सबसे पॉश स्कूल्स को क्रैक कीजिए. वो क्रैक हो जाता है ना तो बाकी सब क्रैक हो जाएगा. तो पहले सुची इज हियर. शो कम. सुची वाज द हेड ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव. तो सुची ने कोशिश की 1 साल के लिए. सारे स्कूल्स ने कहा, क्या हमारे स्कूल में? गेट आउट. हो ही नहीं सकता, गेट आउट. आज दुख की बात है या सुख की बात है, सारे स्कूल्स ने, सारे जिन्होंने ना कहा, स्टैंडर्ड 8 से स्टैंडर्ड 12, किसी स्कूल्स में स्टैंडर्ड 4 से स्टैंडर्ड 12, सारे बच्चों के लिए हमने बच्चों का वर्कशॉप किया, जो बहुत सेंसिटिव, बहुत केयरिंग, बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुल वर्कशॉप है. और फिर बच्चों के पेरेंट्स के साथ, टीचर्स के साथ अलग से एक और वर्कशॉप. सो 16 वर्कशॉप्स वी वुड डू इन वन स्कूल. So now gradually people are saying that it's possible. So we will continue workshops for children. We will continue workshops for adults, parents, teachers, colonies, neighborhood, housing societies. We will continue to counsel survivors. ताज्जुब की बात है कि आजकल काउंसलर्स चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज काउंसलर्स नहीं बनना चाहते हैं क्योंकि उसमें पैसा नहीं है. Doctor, I have a mental problem. Sure, I'll charge you lots of money, lots of medicines. 10,000 rupees a session. Check. But child sexual abuse, nobody wants to enter in. There's no money. So we have trained for free and they counsel for free. We should thank all our panel of... How many do we have now, Nikita? 18. So I said 10, 18 we have trained counselors in child sexual abuse. So we will continue to work with our 70 survivors. Hopefully we can make that 70,000 survivors in the future. And most important, what I want to do, if I can raise the money, is obviously not stay in Bombay. There's so much to do that our whole life will go, but we can slowly move. We can move out into the districts, start with Maharashtra, and then we can see. That's the plan.